It is freezing today. This is the first time the turbine is running in conditions like that. That's why I decided to go there, see if there's ice building up somewhere. I know it's producing, but I just want to make sure everything is fine and show you some changes that are made. Well, I'm glad I moved here. As you can see, it's all iced out here because of all the water splashing out of there. As you can see, before the turbine was placed here, it's hard to tell because everything is filled up with snow. I moved it down here, built a little wall right here so you can't see it from the path. And to protect it from stones, leaves and stuff like that falling down here, I made this little box. And you can see how much ice is building there. But it's kind of beautiful. And as long as the wheel can spin, well, I might have a problem shutting this down here. Probably have to wait. Nice. I like it. But it's running. I want to give you additional information. This has been running for around about 4 days now, constantly, without any issues. When the pressure is full at 4 bar, 4.1, it produces 130 watts, but there's not enough water flow right now. And with an 8mm nozzle, the pressure goes down to probably 3 bar, and then I'm still producing between 80 and 90 watts, which is totally fine as well. I am glad I can run this turbine with a relative wide range of water coming, and yeah, it's relatively maintenance free. I want to show you the results a little bit more in detail. You now see the VRM from Victron, where all the data is getting collected. And you can see in blue is the voltage, in green is the wattage. This was the day I first started the system. I started in this part right here with a 6mm nozzle. Then went up to 8mm. Then I've had a short break. I replaced the turbine here. That's why it's so long. And then I went to 8mm nozzle again. Noticed a drop in wattage. Thought, okay, maybe a 7mm is running better. Then this here is the 7mm. It's performing worse than the 8mm, so I switched back to 8mm nozzle. And you see it's peaking right here at almost 130 watts, but it can't keep this performance up, and it's dropping pretty fast and has dropped ever since. But here you see the last 4 to 5 days. And if you go here into the Victron Connect app, we can see in these 4 to 5 days we've produced 9 kilowatt hours, which is a lot, I think, for this turbine to be running 24/7 under extreme conditions and with a not very constant water flow. So I'm very pleased with that. I'll leave it running and keep you updated how it's performing in the long run. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.